So this was months back, a few months back. I'm with my sisters, Sisowethu vele. Ishingekhohliwe nale ndawo le. But it was a complex. I forgot ukuthi yini igama lakhona vele. Hi, we get there. It's totally fish and chips. We're like, okay, let's just buy fish and chips. Yabo. Singene fish and chips. I started like, I think being paid to a so that day. I'm like, alright guys, let me go chill in the car. I thought it was me and one of my sisters. Omunye sim drop it off gumganake. So I'm like, let me chill in the car. Yabo. Ngizokumele emotweni. I get to the car, I chill. Figure these two men. Omunye nje is just strange looking. Bayafika, one uzithekha ngebota like umelapha eboteni, but in front of the car, and he's looking straight at me. This other one uyafika uyazihlalisa bayabhekana. Yabo ubheka le kuye. Guys, did I not start being sick? Like, my skin literally started getting itchy. I was dizzy. I can't even explain it. I can't put it into words, what I was feeling, what I was going through. But I've never felt like that in my life, in my entire life. This guy, I'm sure figures from this newspaper, and to look bigger, so we are bigger, and then the more I'm bigger, guys, my skin is itching. I'm hot, and I'm hot flashes. Hot flashes, guys. It's mad. It's going like lente koisha on. I've never experienced it ever in my life. Now I'm starting to panic. I'm like, what if I fall asleep and then these people vele bayafika la emotweni bathatha imoto bathathe namphakathi. Start calling my sister. I'm like, dude, please come to the car. I'm not okay. I'm not feeling okay. Please come to the car. My sister's like, dude, ngisamele ukudla ngithi Linda ngizofa like manje ngiyazizwa ukuthi I'm about to transcend. My sister's like, okay, I'm coming. Email. It's getting worse. And this guy now. Okay, I'm like, let me start praying. I start praying. I'm like, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I prayed, guys. And imagine look at nyanya ukuthi nothing is happening. Uyangibona ukuthi I'm going through it in the car, but ayiphumeleli nento afuna kuyenza. And lo munye uyajika uyangibheka ukuthi kanti guys